Hello, today I'm going to show how to open the VVDI Key Tool proximity remote. So what you do, you have a button here, you press it and this comes out. Then the tricky part is you need to prime this hole, and then you prime it all the way around, and then the remote opens. Now when the remote opens, it looks like this in two parts, and then you put it on the back and you can put a battery. You put 2032 battery inside of this slot. Okay, now after you put it, you're gonna see a small light on the button. When you press it, that means that the battery is okay. Now we're gonna put it in the VVDI Key Tool Max and we'll check. You press on the right and you do read transponder, then read transponder. Then you can see that the transponder is unlocked. Now we'll go again to the menu and do frequency test. And if you press one of the remote, it beeps and it tells you on megahertz it is. So this is how you open this kind of remote. There's another kind that I'm gonna open. It's easier to open than this one. And additional on this thing, you can connect the blade right here, and there's a place to put the pin inside on right here to hold the blade, and an insert blade that goes inside the remote right here. It goes inside. Thank you, and thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like our channel. I want to show how to put a battery on the new VVDI remote, and this is the kind of battery you need, and this is the remote. So we take it out of the back, and I already put a battery on it. Just press this button and this comes out. This is for putting a key inside of it, an insert key. It comes here. There's a place to put a pin on it to hold it. Okay, take the screw out and then you can put a pin on it. The remote is really simple. I put a battery on it so you can see the light goes on. You just need to take this back. This back comes out. And to take this back you need a small plastic pick. And then you can put it in. You put it in the slot. And it just pumps out. And then when it pumps out, it opens like this. And this is the other part. You put the battery this way. And then you put the backpack. Just snaps in. Just snaps it in. See, it snaps. Now it's closed. Now we can put it here in the VVDI Max, and we can test it. So we do read transponder, then you do read, and it's told you it's unlocked and you can use it for any proximity you want. Now we'll check the frequency. We'll check to see that it's sending signal. So this remote is really easy, I like it. It's really easy to change the battery. You can make it work on some Toyotas and a lot of Nissans, some Chevy and Cadillacs. And I like the design of it. It's really nice in the hand. And you have a place to put a key ring on it. And it's from XHorse. And you can see it covers a lot of cars. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and put likes on our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.